All right, we saw this earlier. This is by the Hillman group. This is a joist tape. Now Hillman makes lots of fasteners, but they've got this joist tape. And what they say what's different than this one, than the other ones, this is not a butyl tape. This is basically it goes on and it's pressure activated. So you can put it on for up to 15 minutes. You can move around, but the reason you want this joist tape, whenever you have a deck, you don't want water sitting on top of the joist, because what's going to happen, water's going to get in and it's going to cause the joist to rot out. So especially we have all the fasteners and stuff going through. So this, if you put a fastener through this, it's got a self-healing membrane around that. It's not going to leak. They've also got a wide one for the double joist. So we're actually going to try something out like this on one of our projects. We do have some composite material going on top of a pressure treated deck. Again, you're not going to be able to see underneath it, but we want to make sure that the structure lasts a long time. And keeping water out of a structure is the number one thing the contractors can do to basically make the life cycle of the building a lot longer. Hey, if you got value out of this, we've got full coverage from this year's show. Check out our tours of the new American home, the new American model, and all of our interviews from the show floor. For your convenience, all the playlists are right here. Don't forget to subscribe, since we've got more coming.